Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to put a glass screen protector on a iPhone 11 Pro Max. Just bought this phone, don't want to take it out of the box until I've got screen protector on it, preferably a case as well, which is on its way. So I bought this screen protector because first of all it's edge to edge, it goes right to the very end. That's what it says at least, and it says that it's slightly curved as well, so a natural touch. Now I would say that there are so many screen protectors out there, and I have used quite a fair bit at the moment, and one of the new ones that are circulating at the moment is the one that's got the gel with it. So basically you put the plastic on and then the gel actually sticks to the screen, but that is just not the way forward, to be honest, because once it's on it looks very pretty, but once it's cracked it's a nightmare to take off. So personally I wouldn't go down that road. I've already been using one of those before and it wasn't really pleasant to take off. So so here we are. We've got the glass screen protector. Sorry, I just need to quickly go through that. Don't really know why you would use these for such a simple thing. Comes with two glass screen protectors, obviously knowing the fact that if you mess up with one you've got one backup just in case. That's the only reason why I would think you would get two. And then you've got the normal kit that comes with every screen protector nowadays. So we've got the support card. Once again, you've got the two sticky pads just in case you remove the dust. The wet wipes, which is quite nice. Sometimes when you buy one of these screen protectors, if it's been kept for too long, you might find that the wet wipes are not wet, it's actually dry. You just open them up and it's all dry. But yeah, these are wet at the moment, but it feels like it anyway. So and we've got some instructions. Remove the dust, and then we've got the template that sits on it as well. It's quite nice and handy. So I think they're becoming more and more popular, these templates. I think one company did it, and then more and more companies are doing templates for these phones so people can actually make sure that the screen protector goes in correctly. Now in my case I have a brand new phone here, so it's basically literally just come out the box. I haven't even taken the film off yet, so what I'll do is first thing first, let's turn this thing off because I don't want it turned on. Let's see how to turn it off if it works. I haven't used one of these before, so pretty new to these phones, to be honest. I have an iPhone 7, but 11 is fairly different. At the back, I'll be putting another video on because I'll be putting a skin on this because I hate using a phone without a skin. A vinyl skin, actually, a wrap on it basically, and then put a cover on it because the case itself is just not enough. So let's see how it works. So just bought this from Amazon, by the way, today. So let's see, it arrived. So what it's saying is if I put this on in this template here, or is it saying I will put this in this template this way? Let's see. I presume it's saying put it that way. Right, so what it says is put this in this way. I'm going to peel this off and then hopefully, let's see, right, so there is a bit of instruction that they give you. Let me see what it says. Okay, right, okay, tear off the protective film, align it in the glass. Oh, okay, fair enough. So slightly different to the one I used previously. So what they're saying is take this film and align it in the glass itself. That's quite interesting. Can you align it in the glass? Will it fit in the glass? No. Carefully put the installation film on the phone. Installation frame on the phone. Right, so I was right actually. No, it wasn't the film that you need to put on. It's actually one of these. This is first-hand experience, so if I pull this off, it's got a speck of dust on it at the moment, and then what they're saying is peel and it kind of sits in. As you can see, it's filling the screen up right now. There we go. So haven't got any dust on this. This should be. Well, that was quite easy to put on. Here we are. So we just remove the film, and voila! It certainly looks the part, I have to say. Beautiful. So cannot tell the screen protector's on right now because it's so well designed. Yep, can't complain. It's definitely one of the screen protectors I've so far bought which is worth it. So yeah. So the screen protector is bought from Amazon. This is the one for an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this is what it looks like. Definitely recommend getting one of these now after using it, because it's very easy to put on and it feels nice on the hands as well. Obviously once the screen, the case would be on, the edges won't feel at all because the screen protector would, the case will take the edges away. But yeah, here we are. Didn't need to use any of this, but yeah, because it's a brand new phone. I guess if you're using the phone and then you want to put the screen protector on, then it's worth cleaning all of this, but mine just came out of the box, so here we are. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.